Hello everyone, welcome to the Smart Post Show Pro plugin video tutorial series. Today I am going to show you how you can configure the post meta fields like author, date, taxonomy, comment, view count, like, reading time, and etc. Make sure that Smart Post Show Pro plugin is installed and activated into your site. You can directly click on Add New, or you can click Manage Shows and then click Add New to create a new show and give it a title. Go to the Display Options Configuration tab and navigate to the Content Fields section. In the Content Fields section, you will find the option named Meta Fields. Click on the field to configure the meta field related properties. First, you can show or hide the meta fields from here. Let's see how the meta field looks like in the post show. Click Show Preview. And you can see the meta fields are showing below the post title. So this is the post admin, this is the date, this is the comment count. You can reorder the meta fields by doing drag and drop. Suppose you want to show the date before the author, so drag it like this and update the preview. And you can see the date is showing before the author. There are 7 different meta field options you can show in your post, and they are author, date, taxonomy, comment count, view count, like, and reading time. All of the meta fields has their own customization options. Let me show you one by one. Let's remove the pre-made meta field first. Click on Add New Meta, and first meta is author. You can show the author in different ways, like show name, show gravatar, author name and gravatar, author name with an icon. You may wonder what is gravatar. Gravatar means globally recognized avatar. If you want to show only author name, then select show name and update the preview. And you can see only the author name is showing in the post meta. If you want to show gravatar only, then select show gravatar and update the preview to see the gravatar. You can see one of the author gravatar is showing but other is not. To show gravatar, you must need to enable it. The question is from where you can enable it. You can go through the documentation added here, or you can directly search on Google and type gravatar. Click on the first link gravatar.com, sign into your WordPress account and create your gravatar. So I'm gonna close those tabs. You can also show author name and gravatar. Let's see how it looks. You can see this is how the author name with gravatar is showing in the live preview. Meta icon only appears when you select avatar as author name with an icon. So select it and update the preview. And you can see the icon is showing right here. If you want, you can change the icon from the pre-made icon set. So I'm going to keep it as author name and gravatar. Next meta field is date. You can show the date format in 3 different ways. First one is default, time ago, human time, and custom. Let's see how the default date format looks like. So select it and update the preview. And you can see the default date format is showing like this. And if I select time ago, human time, and update the preview, you can see it is showing 3 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, like this. And finally, if I select custom, you can use this doc to set the date in different format. So I'm gonna keep it like this, and now if I update the preview, you can see the date format is showing differently. You can check this doc to get more information about changing the date format. So let's keep it default, and meta icon option is same as before. You can change the meta icon from here. So if I select date, you can see the date icon appears here, and now if I update the preview, you can see the icon has been changed. When you show more than one meta fields, you can select a meta separator in between them from here. Whatever you select from here, it will display in between the meta values. Suppose I want to select a slash and update the preview, and you can see the meta values are separated by a slash. So let's keep it normal space, and if you want to set margin in between the meta values, then you can use this margin option. So next meta is taxonomy. So select taxonomy, and you can select a taxonomy from post category, post tag, and post format. So let's select category. You can also select a taxonomy position from beside other meta above title over thumbnail. If I keep it beside other meta and update the preview, you can see the post taxonomy meta is showing beside the other meta values like this. Now if I select above title, you can set meta color as text and background. So now if I update the preview again, you can see the taxonomy meta is showing above the post title with the text color and a background color. If you want to change the color, you can do it from here. If I select over thumbnail, you can set the over thumbnail position from top left, top right, bottom left and bottom right. So let's keep it top left and update the preview. You can see the taxonomy meta is showing over the thumbnail at the top left position. So let's keep it like this and move forward to the next meta, and which is comment count. So select it. Basically this comment count means you can show how many comments are there in a post through this meta. Let's see an example of it in the live preview. So before that, I would like to change the meta icon. If I click add icon and type comment here, you can see there are several comment icon available on the meta icon option. So let's select this one and update the preview, and you can see the comment count is showing after the date meta. So this post has 3 comments, this post has 4 comments, and this has 2. The meta separator and margin features works same as before. Next meta value is view count. So select view count. The view count refers how many times the post has been viewed. You can show this post view count with the Smart Post Show Pro plugin. Meta icon changing option is same as before. So let's change the meta icon from here. Now if I update the preview, you can see the view count is showing right here. This post has been viewed 662 times. This post has been viewed 534 times. So you can show this meta value in your post show with the Smart Post Show Pro plugin. Suppose you don't want to show this meta value in your post show, then you can close it from here. Next meta value is like. So select like. So with this meta, you can allow your users to hit like if they love any post. Let's change the icon to love, this one, and if I update the preview, you can see the like meta icon is showing after the post comment count. If you like this post, you can hit this love. It will be filled like this one. Finally, the last meta value is reading time. So I'm gonna remove this comment count from here as well as the date. So now click on the add new meta and select the last one is reading time. With this meta, you can display estimated time it takes to read your WordPress blog post. Set words per minute, meta icon, reading time postfix. If I update the preview, you can see this post needs 2 minutes to read and this one 1 minute to read. Like this, the reading time meta fields display in the post show. That's all about the meta fields. I hope you have got a clear concept about the meta fields and you can display them easily in your post show. In the next video, I will come up with another amazing feature of the plugin. Until then, take care.